So guys, in here, I just it's crazy. We go to all three of us just go to a spaceship that landed, and I died, but someone has something that like bandage. Like bro, it was so crazy. It was so crazy. First time seeing that in my life. And here, there's a name for, and here, Lucas, which is this person. This person, it's this person. Wait, I forgot. Oh no, we need the roof. Wait, I'm just. Can Cole get wet? Okay. So I think. Oh hell no. I didn't. So we are going to make a crock pot, and our base is very secured. Some people attacked us last night, and we didn't even flinch. They were dead in an instant. We have a secure base, so we need and I solo saving that kid. I solo saving Dino kid. I know I am very good at soloing. Wait, how many crockpot? There's the crock. So now we need oh yeah, and we're trying to make a crockpot. I don't know why. For infinite soup. Why can't I just So I need more scrap. I haven't like looked for scrap until this day that we need the crock pot. Now, when I'm trying to look for scrap, there's none. Yes. That. Wait. Oh my gosh, I found a cold base. Oh hell no. Guys! Yeah. So, I think we have enough, like, things. So, oh hell no. Take ko down pasitran. Yoo-hoo! Lightning, bro, we don't need, what will we use as a, wait, what? Why did we need a lightning rod? I'm just gonna check. Attracts lightning and makes it safe. Not bad. Use scrap to detect we need this. We need biofuel. I'm a great giant. What's this? What's that? What's that? No, what's that? So? Kuya, may alien chest plate. Oo nga. We need. I just found another kid. Where's the other thing? Oh, wait, no. Where's it? Yeah, we're going to go there again. Let's actually just put that. What are we gonna put? What's? Alasin ko na nga po. So we're gonna put this two here. Okay. I'm gonna put some corn. So sweet, so nice. I'm the one who's corn, carrot. Then wait, I'm just gonna get a berry. I wonder what this is gonna taste like. So It might be poison. I might be making poison. So sweet, so easy to ice. But it is on the inside. Oh, very nice. How much sweet is it? Yep, I was gonna make poison. I said, your face and it's a real sin. It's time to put you in your place, cause you were in. When I'm gonna go back to save that kid. I'm now prepared. I don't think you're ready for the takedown. Breaking in the piece and the wall of pain. Cause you're all say, yeah, it's a takedown. Now it's Sebastian. Yes, I come. My God, scared me. No. Oh no. Bang, 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 bang. Yes, yes. That's actually good. Da. Please give me an alien armor or something. Okay, let's gonna go back to base. I forgot about this. So I'm just gonna go back here and attack them. So I'm gonna solo them. If you ask why I'm gonna solo them, because I'm bored. First take out that jack. Help me. Take out this person. Gonna use this. So now I've taken out that person. And then shut it down. Take out. Bro. Take that. So they have like attack here. Oh my gosh, man. Oh my god. Natakot ako! Kuya, gupit ka o hindi? Sama ka! May cookie! Baka. So, ha? Hindi ko pwede anuhin yun ang aking mga teammates. Dapat kasi po... Hindi ko pwede iwanan ang aking teammates. Kuya, ito ice cream! Okay, that's the end. I hope you enjoy. Bye. The flying